Welcome friends, welcome back to my another Clean Planet walk. How are you all my dear friends? I hope all are well and I am also good, and you know I am Damazul Islam from Tangai district of Bangladesh. Friends, today is Tuesday, 12 April 2022. Now morning time. This Tuesday morning I am visiting a natural place, new natural place in our region. Actually, it is a green nature area. Here is a many type of green nature greenery, really beautiful green nature here. Friends, this Tuesday morning I visiting this new natural place in our region. I walking here, friends. Now I sitting in the middle of this natural place. Friends, I saw here some polluted garbage, polluted plastic, etc. So now I collected uh, uh, that garbage, and that garbage threw in the dustbin. Friends, you know I always try to save the nature, green nature and natural place. So now I try to cleaning this place, save the natural beauty in this place. তো বন্ধুরা, আজকে মঙ্গলবার সকালে আমি আমাদের অঞ্চলের নতুন একটি প্রাকৃতিক জায়গায় এসেছি। এখানে অনেক সবুজ প্রকৃতি আছে। তো এখানে হাঁটার সময় আমি বেশ কিছু দূষিত আবর্জনা, অনেক প্লাস্টিক দেখেছি। এগুলো আমি এখন সংগ্রহ করে ডাস্টবিনে নিক্ষেপ করব। তো চলুন বন্ধুরা, পরিষ্কার মিশন শুরু করি। লেটস গো ফ্রেন্ড, ক্লিনিং মিশন স্টার্ট নাও। Friends, and a bag in my hand. Now I try to cleaning this natural place. Let's go friend, cleaning mission start now. Friends, I saw here, first I saw here old plastic. This old plastic is stuck in, old and big is stuck in soils and green nature. This old plastic, this is really very bad for our green nature. So I collected this old plastic. I saw another old plastic here. This is a very old plastic, friends. Stuck in green nature, প্রকৃতিতে আটকে আছে. This plastic is really very bad for our natural place. Big and old, really very bad polluted plastic. So I collected this polluted plastic. I saw another old plastic stuck in soil. মাটিতে আটকে আছে, এটা আমি সংগ্রহ করলাম। দেখেন, old plastic. Friends, beautiful greenery, green nature here. Now I walking in this natural place and try to collect polluted garbage, plastic, old cloth. I saw another plastic here, another polluted plastic, really very bad polluted plastic from our nature, old cloth. Beautiful greenery, friends, beautiful green nature. I saw another old plastic here, stuck in soil. মাটিতে আটকে ছিল, এটা আমি সংগ্রহ করে নিলাম। দেখতে পাচ্ছেন, another old plastic. Unused plastic product. Another plastic stuck in soils. মাটিতে আটকে, সবুজ প্রকৃতিতে আটকে ছিল। Friends, I think this green nature is wealth of our world. I like green nature. I love green nature. So I always try to save our uh, earth, green nature. I always try to cleaning our green nature. I always try to remove polluted plastic and garbage from green nature. So today I will try to cleaning a new natural place in our region. I saw it is a not garbage. I saw another old plastic, old and big stuck in soil. Really big, really big and old. এটা আমি সংগ্রহ করব. Really very bad and polluted garbage. They are very big and full old plastic. Really very bad for our nature. This plastic. I collected this old plastic. Another plastic here. I saw beautiful natural place. I saw here another old plastic. Old plastic, old cloth, big old cloth bag, dirty, very dirty. এটা আমি সংগ্রহ করে নিলাম. দেখতে পাচ্ছেন very dirty old cloth. I saw another old plastic here. আমি সংগ্রহ করে নিলাম. Another old plastic. Friends, I saw here many old plastic, so I collected this all old plastic from this place, and this cleaning moment there is in a video another old and big plastic stuck in soils, nature. এখানে আমি দেখতে পাচ্ছি প্রকৃতির মধ্যে, মাটির মধ্যে অনেক প্লাস্টিক আটকে আছে. Very dirty, really very dirty. Friends, really very dirty plastic. এটা আমি নিয়ে যাব as a dirty plastic bag, old plastic bag. এটা আমি নিয়ে যাব পরবর্তীতে. I saw another old plastic here. Friends, I saw another plastic here. এটা আমি সংগ্রহ করে নিলাম. দেখতে পাচ্ছেন unused product, unused dangerous product. I saw here plastic and old cloth stuck in soil, very old. আমি সংগ্রহ করে নিলাম. Plastic and old cloth, very old, stuck in soil. Here another plastic, old plastic. আমি সংগ্রহ করে নিলাম। Unused sandal, plastic sandal product, unused sandal, এটা আমি সংগ্রহ করে নিলাম। Another old plastic stuck in soil, মাটিতে আটকে ছিল, এটা আমি সংগ্রহ করে নিলাম। Friends, I collected many polluted garbage and many plastic from this natural place. Friends, you can see many plastic. I collected many plastic, almost about full in bag. ব্যাগটি প্রায় ভরে গিয়েছে, দেখতে পাচ্ছেন আপনারা। ব্যাগটি আমি এখন বন্ধ করব। Big. Friends, I saw another plastic here, not plastic. This one plastic, so I collected this plastic. Friends, full in bag, ব্যাগটি ভরে গেছে, দেখেন full in bag. Now stop this bag. ব্যাগটি আমি এখন বন্ধ করব। Friends, stop this bag. Now this bag throw in dustbin of our area's dustbin. Throw in the dustbin. Let's go, friend. সাথে আরেকটি ব্যাগ, another old plastic bag, এটা সহ আমি নিয়ে যাব, ডাস্টবিনে ফেলবো। লেটস গো। Friends, this our area's dustbin. This garbage bag, plastic to in the dustbin. Thank you so much, friend. This was my nature cleaning mission in 2 day morning.